Matcha pop-up by the beach in Agoo La Union that serves matcha, dirty horchata, hojicha, coffee, tea, and banana bread and cookies. This is Rosie's, another matcha pop-up find namin dito sa La Union. And their pop-up is located at Agoo Bay Walk sa Barangay San Julian Norte, Agoo La Union. They are open from Thursday to Sunday between 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Ito nga pala ang menu nila, pause nyo na lang for reference. And here's what we ordered and honest take na rin. So we ordered pure hojicha, dirty horchata, tiramisu cloud latte, Earl Grey matcha, and banana matcha. Yung dirty horchata, medyo parang ka-taste siya nung sa El Union Coffee sa San Juan. For us ha, di na kailangan pumunta ng San Juan LU para matry ito, kaya 9/10 ito for us.
This dirty horchata is almost the same sa El Union Coffee.
Yung pure hojicha, bago ito para sa inyo pero di na bago sa panlasa namin. This one ay walang sweetener, refreshingly satisfying. Lasado yung hojicha talaga kaya this is a 9/10 for us. And for the tiramisu cloud latte, the tiramisu is there. Nangingibabaw yung mascarpone and the ladyfinger that comes with it blends well sa drink kaya 9/10 ito for us. For the Earl Grey matcha, lasado mo yung Earl Grey tea at matcha. Balance na bago sa panlasa, this is a must try kaya 9/10 ito for us. And for the banana matcha, lasa yung banana na may hint ng cinnamon. Andun pa rin yung premium na lasa ng matcha. So this is 8/10 for me.
Sarap po ate.
Masarap po. Very much recommended. You must try this guys. Sobrang sarap and affordable pa.
The best talaga.
You know what? When I was a child, I always looked to the everything that I always see in the universe. And one thing that is for sure, and I like the roses.
Yeah.
What she said.
Yes.
No comment. Yeah.
Yung banana bread nila is so yummy, moist at di matamis at cookie na perfect na ipare sa mga drinks nila. Bago pa lang sila dito sa Baywalk and we highly recommend na itry nyo rin dito. Perfect spot dito para mag-sunset while enjoying your snacks and drinks. They have limited camping chairs kaya mas maganda magdala kayo ng sarili nyo. And pwede rin pala mag-swimming at mag-picnic dito. Tumambay lang or mag-food trip. Maraming nagbebenta ng mga foods dito. May katabi pala sila na legit yung barbecue at sausawan na suka. At wala pa naman entrance fee dito for now unlike sa Agoo Eco Park. Ang ayaw lang namin dito ay madaming mga nagkalat na basura at mga bote ng alak. Madami talaga walang disiplina. Di ata nila alam yung play go or wala talagang pakialam. Anyhow, this is your sign na mag-LU pero dito naman sa Agoo. Kaya like and follow for more.